Where are you going? You're going to buy something, obviously, accurate. So yeah, come closer.
What something do you want to buy?
I'm going to buy
Bread, holy bread.
Yes, please.
Holy bread.
Yeah.
You stay at Ghana and you are now listening to what Ghana Bank says. Stay Ghana. Did you not hear TV? I'm asking you a question. What's that TV home?
It's a whole pie.
Na Ghana Bank has some nimu dem wanka.
The pan of the to wear say.
Efe ya to gele.
Baby, I'm bigger.
And ya to biscuit.
Tell me say biscuit on the car.
You talking when soldier talking? Calm down.
The pan of the Kenya Dibia. Pan the to wear say.
Sir. Ko baby ko hwe. Pan no akura no mu die.
Baby, me dem di pan we am dia me yare.
Obey yale. And you menenya ofe. Today is your last warning. I don't want to hear you are working runabout. Going up and down. Here is not seesaw. Ghana town is not seesaw.
That's right.
You get me right?
Officer.
Come on, clown fella.
Look at her. And the slim things. Look at the
I can't say munnimu dwen wo pan wa sada won to biscuit in kan. Ah? And our confidence kwa wo to si wa so betumi adi. Confidence is a confidence.
This Kasua ladies, I don't know in the understanding. The president talking, don't listen.
Wow.
This work is suffering.
It's too much breath for.
Astro Oya TVGH. Like, subscribe, share, and comment.